My name is Vaibhav Dashrath Mohite. My roll number is 20ME100092. I am from section 8 group 3. This is my fifth DIY assignment. I have selected part 2 to be done. So the part 2 is disassembly of a home appliance. The home appliance I have chosen is a mixer. So before starting the disassembly, we should check whether the mixer is working properly or not. So here is the mixer. We have provided electricity to the mixer. So after switching on, we can clearly hear the sound of the mixer, which proves that the mixer is working properly. So here we have the body of the mixer. This is the regulator which controls the speed. This is a light which identifies whether it is working or not. This is a cable. So here we have a holder for the cable. That was a vent for the heat to escape. Then this is the bottom side of the mixer. Here are also some vents. This is a button which is used to switch off the mixer when there is more load. These are supports from the bottom side. Then we have screws which attach this bottom side with the main body of the mixer. So now let us remove all these screws so that we can open the body from bottom side. So we have opened the mixer from bottom. Here is a plug which is very hard to remove. So we will keep this part aside for a while. So we can see there are many wires and connectors entangled in this body. So first of all we will remove these screws so that we can remove the motor from the body. As we can see, we have removed the body very successfully. Now we are going to remove these wires from the connector. So we can see the motor. The motor is attached with many wires. So now let us, okay, so we have disassembled the mixer, and now we are going to remove the casing of the motor so that we can see the armature inside the motor casing. The screws are very tight as the mixer was not opened from a long time, so it is taking a long time. So we have just fast forwarded the process. So now it is about to get open. So we have opened the motor casing successfully, and we have removed the armature. Here is the shaft. It is made up of steel. And this complete system is called armature. And here are the magnets which provide the magnetic field. And with this, and we can also see the winding. That was the commutator. This is the fan which provides cooling. And this fan is made up of plastic material. The coil and the commutator shown before are made up of copper. So now this is the stator, as we can see in this picture very clearly. Then we have the coil. Those were the two carbon brushes which provide electricity from the power supply. Then we can see there are wires connected from one stator to the carbon brushes. So these are the three wires for different speeds. So now we will keep this aside. This is the casing of the motor made up of an alloy which provides support for the armature to be fixed in the mixer. So this was the holder for the motor from bottom. This is a coupling tool which is used to hold the container. Now we will assemble the motor again. So now as the assembly process will take a long time, we will fast forward it. As we also know, so the motor is working properly and the mixer is also working properly.
Okay.